Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm AidanMCJ and today's video is on my light install. Now, I've actually just installed the lights because we didn't have time to film it anyway. So I'm going to show you the car that we've just got them off. So these are my old lights. These ones here, if you can see them on the camera. So this little orange thing is different. And I'll go over the differences as well in a minute. And obviously my old one was very badly condensated. Obviously this was our friend's car that I got the Heco wind deflectors off. It was written off because someone rear-ended her, so she's selling everything. And yeah, so it looks totally different now because it was like, it's so low as well. But it looked like massively different with the other lights on. So let's have a look at my lights. Sorry for the weird cut to a different location. We've had to go to a car park because a guy turned up to change his wheels and stuff. The wheels were coming off the other Fiesta that you've just seen. So we're going to be looking at the new lights. So the new lights consist of the all LED, except from this bulb obviously. This is an orange bulb. The orange lens bit has been taken out. It's all LED, the LED side lights and stuff. It's a little bit scuffed on the other side, so I'll have to do a bit of restoration on that, but we can bring that to the channel as well. Really bright compared to the others. So to install them, there's a little bolt behind here, a bolt there, a bolt here, and just behind the light is one little loom. So it's really easy to get them on, and they're super bright. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. In a later video we'll probably show you more in depth on how like this stuff goes onto the car, but it's pretty simple job. Right guys, so I'm going to show you what they actually look like when they're on. So put the side lights on. So obviously you can see how bright the side lights are compared to the normal ones, normal lights. And obviously even the camera is struggling to see how bright they are. Obviously you know what the normal kind of lights look like, very yellowy and stuff. And main beam. And there you go, that's how bright they are. Stupidly bright. Now turn them all off. And then do right indicator and left indicator, and there you go. So that's how good they look and how different they look to the standard. Extremely bright. I do get a lot of people flashing at me and stuff, so it's probably not good that they're so bright, but they are a lot brighter than normal. And also, if we compare to what normal lights look like, so obviously Meg's got DRLs, and put your normal lights on and look how dark they look compared to my lights if I turn them on. So obviously you can see the massive difference between the yellow halogen bulbs and the LEDs. You get a little bit further down, you can see how bright mine are compared to the old halogen bulbs. So yeah, very different upgrade, and a really good upgrade if you're thinking of doing that kind of thing to your car. It makes a massive difference. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Pull up in the gold, I'm leading. But them other man ain't feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from dealing. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bat. Snapping with a phone and dab.